Esteban Aristizábal Vázquez, Colombian musical composer and singer that covers different music ranges, especially pop, rock, Latin pop, and rock in Spanish. Since childhood music was his favorite hobby, and from the age of 15 he began his musical career, gaining international recognition. In 2004, his album "My Bull" James would immortality himself with his black cheer. It's the Coleman War as broadening the country the most awards with a total of 21 statues. It is also which most award country in addition these talent artists can also play instruments as the guitar, flute, and electric guitar. Entrepreneur once the band disbanded, Juanes decided to continue his musical career as the solo artist. At the beginning, he does not have growing influence since the discography did not look for the type of music to which he was accustomed. The social continuity of his music later on the artist released his most important song in Spanish and probably the best known in our country. Black Cheer is doing not could not is including song. His authentic the Colombian artistic is one of the most recognized artists of influence thanks to the failure relation of authenticity that represents his entire music career. Country hip has won 24 Latin Grammy Awards and in the musical life of the soul more than 60 million albums around the world.